The question says the electronic configuration of an element with atomic number 7. Nitrogen atom is. Okay. We have to identify the electronic configuration of nitrogen atom. You can see in the given option we have px, py, pz. These are the orbitals we have. They have included orbitals in electronic configuration. First of all, we write down the electronic configuration for nitrogen. Atomic number 7. We have 1s2, 2s2, 2p, and it is supposed to be 3 is there, 2p3. Okay. Now if we write orbital notation, so in S subcell we have only one orbital. S subcell only one orbital, that's why we use only one box. P subcell we have 3 orbital, we use 3 box. D subcell we have 5 orbitals, we use 5 box. Okay, like that. So in this case you can see 2 electrons completely filled. Here also we have 2 electrons completely filled, but in P subcell how many orbitals are there? 3 orbitals are there, px, py, and it is what, pz is there. And when we fill the electrons in orbitals, we always follow Hund's rule. Okay, first of all orbitals are filled with spin, singly filled and then double filled. Filling of orbitals will be with the single spin then double spin. Okay, 3 electrons are there, 3 electrons in P subcell. So we start filling electrons, singly filled. First spin, second spin, and this is what, third spin is there. So in general, if I have to represent the electronic configuration in the orbital, it will be 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Okay, so general electronic configuration we get 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, and 2pz1. This is the electronic configuration we have. Any such option given here, you can see 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. You can see we have option C is correct. Option C is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.